Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Over the last couple of days, me and a gentleman have been emailing back and forth, and he thinks that his his note field doesn't work and his outline doesn't work. I've already suggested that he do a F8 reboot and it should go back to working. He's evidently turned something off, but he thinks I did a video and I might have done, but I would have docked it up here. So we're just going to make two hotkeys for this. And I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go to Commands and type, well, it's already, no, that's the fill. I want to type in no fill. And I'm going to pick that one right there. It's either one of these. Go to a new shortcut, and I'm going to hit F. And I'm going to assign it. I'm going to say OK. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and go Tools, Options, Customization, and I'm going to type in outline. And I would pick the one right here that says hairline. I'm going to go to make sure it's a shortcut. And I'm going to do alternate F and assign it and say OK. So now I can take this and hit F, takes away the fill, and alternate F adds the outline. And then you could change the outline thickness to whatever you want. But I'm almost 100% positive if he does an F8, it'll come back. The video I did before, I've probably docked it up here, but I don't want it up there. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.